Okay, so for 28, they're saying which of the following A, B, C, D are equivalent to 12x to the 6. So let's just figure out what these all are, right? So this is 3 times, right, 2x to the third squared. You gotta have to do power before we do multiplication. So 2x to the third squared is 2 squared, which is 4. X to the third squared is x to the 6th. So then we get 12x to the 6th. So A is, let's do B. B, 6 times 2 is 12. X to the 8th times x to the negative 2. We add the exponents and we get x to the 6th. So B also is. Let's try C. Raising to the 1/2 power is taking the square root. So the square root of 144 is 12. And then x to the 12th to the 1/2, that's power to power, we multiply. 12 times 1/2 is 6, so that's x to the 6th. So C also. And then D, 60 divided by 5 is 12. X to the 10th over x to the 4th, we subtract the exponents, so that's x to the 6th. And then y over y is 1. So actually A through D, A, B, C, and D are all equivalent.